If this is the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notification. So we decided to put up a structure for our water tower. It's meant to hold about 10,000 liters, which is basically two 5,000 liter tanks. The size of it is 4 meters by 2 meters wide and 3 meters high. Hopefully with that it's supposed to get the pressure of the water to get to the end of the farm. So this structure started 2 days ago. I'm hopeful that it will be completed by the end of tomorrow. I've just put concrete. On the pillars. What is currently remaining is another pillar on top and a slab, and then we wait for it to dry so that it can hold up the weight. Let's see how that goes. Hopefully it will be of assistance to the farm and the household as well.